Hi there, welcome to week 6. I apologize again. I'm a little late, but this week is not as loaded as other weeks that you have had. So, in looking here, I'm going to go to Module 6 and we'll cover the activities for this week. This week includes reading Marquis and Houston, chapters 15, 16, and 17. And in these chapters, skim them, read what's important for the discussion question, and go from there. Review the YouTube videos, particularly, and the PowerPoints. The PowerPoints are there extra if you want additional information, all right? And then complete the article complete discussion question 6 and complete the learning exercise and submit. The reason that you have so many learning exercises is because this is a writing intensive course, and the requirements were 20 pages of writing. And instead of trying to put that in a 20-page paper, we've cut this down and spread some of the pages through the different modules to give you the opportunity not to have to write a 20-page paper. So here is your learning exercise. It's learning exercise 15.5, and I realize those are on different pages depending on your book. And this is discussion board 6. So you would have gone through an orientation process and socialization when you were new. The book will tell you a little bit about it and explain, and which one taught you more. And can you identify with the article from the New York Times about staffing? And how can you personally be instrumental in helping the nursing profession with these types of staffing problems, and describe at least one thing that you could do. Another short video that's in here that I particularly liked, and I think if you've ever been asked to be part of a team, you will too. It's Remember the Titans. And when you become part of a team, there's 4, and this actually uses 5, but forming, storming, norming, and performing. And being part of many committees at the hospital when I was there, the first time you meet, you are just getting together and forming and trying to figure out what you are doing. You get information and then you start storming. And I remember there were some territorial issues. I'm sure none of you have ever had that. And disagreements during the part of forming, and then we would come together and be norming and get the work done, and then a team would go to performing. So remember that you have the learning exercise for this week and the discussion board, and I'm here if you have any questions. Give me a ring. Thank you.